I don't know if you caught. I don't know if you caught what this guy, what that language was, but he basically just said. I don't know if you caught what this said, but he basically just said torpedo. So you never know. I mean, or well. Give them more room to talk. I think what that basically was, if my human to talking teeth out of the mouth translator still works, I think he just said torpedo. So just something to kind of pay attention to. We laugh together. We do. Just crack it up. Oh man, that was funny, wasn't it? Some of these have eyeballs on them. It's an extra thing that you can do if the teeth by themselves aren't creepy enough. I mean, there's definitely ones you can get with eyes. I think they're supposed to either nullify or reduce. I think the proper word would be to reduce. Like when they say reduce swelling, to reduce creepiness. You know, we just chalk some feet down there and a couple of googly eyes. I don't know, I mean, it's kind of the funny thing about that. It just, so yeah. Let's see if I can do eyes. Yeah, those look like eyes, don't they? Say cheese. Something like that, I don't know. Or wait, you know, let's do the earthbound thing, you know. That'd be even better. Say fuzzy pickles. These teeth are a laugh and a half, though. I honestly think that if I were to drink beer or something, these would probably get me going. There'd be so many different things. Probably for a lot of people, though. You could have too much coffee and this would be like, what the hell are those? I mean, probably would. This is the funny thing about it. I mean, I'm just gonna let you hear them again. I'm not gonna do it on the table, but I will. These are like, I'm gonna do the Pac-Man. Watch this. There you have it. Delightful, magical, a fruitful, very got something to say too. A very fruitful way of being. These are the fruits of my labor, very much. They fell out of the tree and everything. The fruits of my labor.